Kinoyalam ka Regional Democratic Alliance ka arpo South Rek Unailar ahaja arpo kilale yakendu yumentri rangba ka jalao kondat ke sama banikran halor ki mat ke bedai berpur usam ka Lynti Rel bar ke jingkan thub ik Ktien Khasi ka khirnet ka bafra jong kariti sanchar kari India. Working President ke UDP ba polling do apakren bikla pathai khubor harian ka jia kendo ulayathu bakan sadan biang ka jia kren halor ki Khappud bar ka sarkar Assam. Shushu ba Paul Ulaitu bahagani ke jia kandu provinsi rangba kelaikran ru Halor Lynti Rel bar ke jing pendrung ik Ktien Khasi bar ke Ktien Garo ha ke khirnet ka bapra jongkariti sanchar jongkari.
So the response from the Chief Minister has been very encouraging. He addressed the concerns of the Alliance RDA and specifically on the border issue. There would be resumption of discussions at the highest level, which means at the level of chief ministers, and this we expect to take place at the earliest point of time. And in the meanwhile, an advisory committee will be constituted to provide all the documentary support and also to liaise with different stakeholders, including traditional heads and the autonomous district councils. On the introduction of railway services, the Chief Minister and the Alliance were on the same page as far as addressing the issue of infiltration is concerned. We are totally against the idea of introduction of passenger trains, which we felt that at this point of time would open floodgates to fresh infiltrations. So we were very insistent that any idea of such introduction of railways should be put a stop to which the CM has agreed. On the Khasi language, the matter has already crossed a state where both Khasi and Garo have already been recognized as associate official languages in 2005 and rules were framed in 2008. Now what remains to be done, the next logical step, which is that the State Assembly have also adopted an official resolution to the effect that Khasi be included in as one of the languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution that had already been adopted in 2018. So the next logical measure for the state government to take would be to exercise its influence in the power lobbies of Delhi to convince the union government for an immediate inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the HEU. And in case of the Khasi language, since we have already made tremendous progress as far as documentation and submission of evidence to the Sahitya Akademi and also the MHA, so we think that there is a very strong case for immediate resolution of this matter by the state government proactively pursuing this matter with the centre.